Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lenovo Legion step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Lenovo Legion laptop from the box. Carefully remove all protective coverings and materials. Locate the power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power adapter to the laptop. Press the power button to turn on your Lenovo Legion. Wait for the boot up process to complete. Choose your preferred language from the setup menu. Select your region or country for the optimal configuration. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network name. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Connect. After connecting, wait for the system to check for updates. Accept the terms and conditions as required. Create or log into your Microsoft account if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a user profile. Customize your privacy settings according to your preference. Once the initial setup is complete, you'll reach the desktop. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the pre-installed applications. Explore the Lenovo Vantage app for specialized settings and updates. Check for any additional Windows updates in the settings menu. Install necessary software or games that you intend to use. Configure your display settings if needed, adjusting resolution and scaling. Set up any peripherals, such as a mouse or printer, to enhance your setup. Ensure your battery settings are optimized for performance or battery life as desired. Finish by organizing your desktop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.